everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm out test driving and reviewing this really nice Honda Odyssey. It's a 2019, has under 50,000 miles. It is an EXL, so it's got a ton of nice equipment, both, creature comfort wise and safety wise. Drives out really strong. And just really a nice minivan. So let's get started with the review here. I'd like to check the front window, the windshield here for rock chips and things, and I don't see any. It looks good up there. Does have the 6-cylinder engine in it, plenty of power. Headlights look good, fog lights are nice and clear. Coming down here, it does have alloy wheels. These are Honda alloy wheels, 18 inches on it. 4-wheel disc brakes, tire tread shows a decent amount of tread there, as you can see. Does have power doors, and you can control those right on this remote control in addition to your remote start, and also power liftgate on it. So let's go ahead and open up this door over here. Notice the leather seats, really clean inside. Sometimes used minivans, they get the treatment with the kiddos sometimes, but this one looks like it's been taken care of. It's an 8-passenger, so you get 3 passengers in the second row, 3 passengers in the third row, and 2 up front for a total of 8. See, it's got the plastic down on the floor. It's got USB outlets up down here for charging, if your kids have tablets or anything like that, or even back passengers with their phones. Also, it's got heating and air conditioning controls, and power door close right there. Exterior shows really good. Has wiper back here on the back, electronic defrosting rear window. It's got a hitch down here if you want to put a bike rack or something like that, you can. Backup camera. And then, like I mentioned, you can open up this rear lift gate with the remote control as well. That's super handy. If your hands are full of stuff, which they are oftentimes if you're like me, it's just nice to push the button, unload it. You got this nice deep well. This goes down probably a foot or so for a lot of storage. And also what that happens here is this third row seating will actually fold down flat into this well if you need more cargo space. So that's nice. Do have a power outlet back here if you got maybe a power pump, you need to pump up the pool toys or something like that, you can there. Now you can lower this either with the keyless entry or pushing that button right there. Few scratches on the back bumper here, just where they've loaded and unloaded things. Pretty normal. Come along to the driver's side. Really, the exterior looks in great shape for the year. Power door on this side as well. That middle seat is removable if you don't need that, if you'd rather have the aisleway. But the seats do slide forward really easy. It's kind of I think it's a Honda patented system. Now, financing is available on this, so if you're interested in payments and see what you qualify for, I'll post a link for you down below. So just look for that finance link where you can fill out your information. You can do it right from your phone or computer, wherever you're watching this video on. All right, let's come on inside. Go ahead and get it started. It's push button start. Give you a brief overview, and then we'll jump into all the specifics here. All right, so let's start here. So it's got memory seats here, which is nice. If you have a couple different drivers, you can program where you leave your seat and then just hit the 1 or 2, depending which one you are, and it'll go right back there. Power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. Kind of all, it has this catch-all in the door here, and even a lower catch-all as well. You can open and close those power doors right here, and you can turn them off. That's a nice feature. If you just don't want the kids or don't want them to work, just turn them off. You've got power liftgate control here, and then this here is your road departure mitigation. That's going to keep you in between the lanes, and then you also have the front collision mitigation as well as traction control. Now here in the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped, so it's comfortable to touch. Has paddle shifters back here, and then on the left side you have your controls here for your hands-free connectivity. Also, you can control the center cluster here, which will show you various things such as your trip, phone controls, radio controls, a lot of different things there. Android Auto, Bluetooth, all right there. You have volume control and then tuning control as well. So a lot right here going on the left thumb. At the right thumb here, you've got your cruise control, and this also has adaptive cruise control and your lane keep assist as well. Over here is your color radio. Sorry for the glare, I'm right in the sun. But right here, I'm going to put it in reverse, and you got your backup camera, you've got your wide view and your narrow view, and kind of a straight down view. So a couple different views there. Let's get into all the systems this has got. This has got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, in addition to AM and FM. So got all the modern features on it. Heat and air conditioning controls all have buttons down here, which I know a lot of you appreciate that. It's an automatic system, and you can sync it together. And you can also control the rear climate in here, and again, sync that as well. Have heated seats up here. This is your drive control. So you have park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And then the S is where you can select and go over here and use the paddle shifters. Snow mode, econ mode, and then power airbag control, or passenger airbag control. Another power outlet down there, another tray here, beverage holder, spot for the phone. Notice my iPhone fits in there just perfectly. We've got power down here, USB power and aux port, and some more beverage holders. So it does have an opening skylight here, which is nice. Opens up just fine. And then we get it closed here. It also has got the shade. I did pull up the history report, and I obviously didn't look at it because I would have mentioned this. This is a one-owner vehicle, never been in an accident. It's showing. Score's really good. I would agree with all that. We post these on our website, so you can dig down deeper into that. Just look for the auto check emblem as you go up there. And look here on the rear view mirror, you've got actually buttons on the bottom. Those are for your garage door, so you can program in your garage door remotes. So it's all there, nice, clean. Honda minivan. Honda, you know, is known for the reliability. And oh, I didn't go over the miles. It's got 44,579 miles. You look in the bottom right there is where that's showing. So again, thanks for hanging out with me today. Nice, clean Honda Odyssey. I don't think it'll last long. It's well equipped as well. So thanks for hanging out with us, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.